Going for good epic heroes. This is going to be the topic for today because we're going to make some summons and hopefully we get some good epic heroes. We have 16 from the Starlight summons and 2 Helios dice. Now the Helios dice is going to be on this event to actually get my second legendary presented in the season 2. Before that, just couple words about the heroes. Right now I have a team for the Goblin Lair, and I definitely need some heroes to boost my progression in the game because yeah, AoE heroes are very good, but still you need something strong, something to one-shot the target or do absolutely incredible damage. So let's jump directly in the summons. So I'm going to start first with the Starlight summons. I like to do it one by one. I think I get better luck. But anyway, let's see what is going to be. Oh, it's going to be a rare. As I said, I think I get a better look. Grover. Oh my god, you don't see the name of the Grover. But right now you see Grover. Why they let this kid fight? Oh my god. Okay, enough for Grover. Let's jump to the next summon. Come on, baby, give me something good. It's only 3% chance to get the epic hero, and this is the target for this video, to get some good epics in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. I don't know how many times I summoned this guy, but yeah. Kato, welcome. I don't know, is there anything that the game can do with all these duplicates? Because you get one hero, okay, that's totally fine. But if you get him same again, should be maybe some kind of boost for the players, or at least little money back or something like this. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what is your opinion. And do you have any suggestion? I mean, if you get this guy 5 times at least, maybe something you should receive. Okay, Uzrok, I don't like you. Let's go for the next one. Again, it's 3% chance. We got 16 dice. So yeah, the chance is little low to get the epic one, but hopefully we get some good. I get Garius, by the way. Garius is an epic one from this dice, Starlight dice, and I'm so happy with this hero. Vakus. Okay, we don't like Vakus. Only common heroes. Maybe this work with summoning a single one don't work that well. It's gone. Okay, I get the second time this guy. Come on, Ozrok, go away. Just find a job, do something. Don't stay in front of my summons. Going for the next summon. Come on, baby. Oh, it's going to be a rare. They're absolutely great rares, by the way, just to mention that. Quarion, what the Quarion do when healing aliens get 20% chance to increase the healing amount by 50%. Grants, blah blah blah, 10% target, blah. Recover over time, okay. Heals the aliens within the range, 50% target maximum HP. It's not that good. Sorry, my boy, I have way better. And you even get a rare from the beginning, the lady with the white hair. That is absolutely great healer till these days. Okay, come on, Dillion. What is this big wood in your head? Anyway, let's go for the next one. Some weapons are surprisingly big. I don't know how people manage to use this weapon in the fight. Hector, how's it going, Hector? Why? By the way, Hector look pretty strong. If it's looked pretty strong, why this guy is only a common hero? I don't know. Let's go for the next summon. Definitely Hector look like, I don't know, Super Saiyan, something like this. Very strong hero. It's going to be a common again. And again, Hector. Okay, like Uzrok, go away, Hector. Duplicate hero, convert result. I get this. Change? What is this? Fix purchase more, so. No. What is this? Summon heroes. Anyway, I didn't understand one. Let's go for the next one. Let's hopefully we get something here, baby. And it's going to be a common again. So maybe one by one is not good strategy, but I really enjoy to see heroes one by one. Saiwa, I think this is an NPC in the game. There is a lot of close looking creatures in this game, and this is going to be a rare. Which one? Vani, are you not too young to fight on the battlefield? What does Vani do? Every third basic attack will do additional damage. 30% attack up for 5 seconds and deals whitening damage to the enemy. Okay, this is only for her. Oh, this is ultimate for the whole map. Grants attack speed 1 to 0. Doubtless alias. Doubtless. What the doubtless supposed to mean? Increase attack speed by 25%. Oh yeah, this is absolutely great, but with attack speed up too, okay. But what this doubtless alias supposed to mean? Doubtless. Oh, is this thing here? Okay, let's summon again. I don't know how many doubtless creatures I have or heroes. Most of the things are. Oh, epic! Finally, finally, baby. Tia. Okay, first of all, she's a captain. I don't know if you can see her. Maybe I'll go like this. Oh, going to put my big face here. See. So she's a captain. Increase all RS accuracy by 50 in dungeons battles. Okay, this is way better for the Sigrid with 10 more accuracy. What she's doing, get invisibility to the hero for 5 seconds when taking damage higher than 10% of the maximum HP. In addition, RS under invisibility take 15% less damage. Okay, heals an. Oh, she's having. Oh, she's protecting an ally. Also, she's healing, heals the ally within the lowest current HP, and the others with the invisibility, blah blah blah. Each ally can be healed only once per cast. Okay. Let's see the ultimate. Grant invisibility and debuff immunity to all range allies for 10 seconds and deal 850 necrotic damage with a 75% chance to inflict healing prohibition on enemy for 10 seconds. Healing prohibition is absolutely very important. This hero should be leveled up. It's not like Sigrid, but Sigrid can be used in the dungeons for multiple target, just because she's going to hit with her ultimate multiple targets. But this one is hitting one target, but the damage is pretty decent. Also, there is a healing prohibitions, and the chance can go to 85% chance to inflict healing prohibition. This is pretty decent ultimate, and I definitely like it. Debuff immunity, immune to all debuffs. Grants invisibility and debuff immunity. Okay, this is very important for the this right with the flames, the flame domain. Yeah, this is definitely going to be helpful. She's yeah, she's epic. So yeah, GG on that summoning. Go for the next one. Hopefully we get one more epic. I mean, it's 3% chance. It's a small percent chance, but we're going to see. It's going to be a common. Uzrok, what did they told you? Uzrok, go away. Go home, Uzrok. Okay, let's go for the next one. Get tired of the Uzrok. I really hate when I make couple summons and the only hero I summons is absolutely the same. And this guy, I summoned him for the second time. Uzrok 3 times, this guy 2 times, Hector 2 times. My game, at least give me some different common heroes. Do not be the same. Maybe there is not that much common heroes, but yeah. Okay, this one is different. Is that a cow with the rusty knife? I don't know. Tauretzen. Okay, hello Tauretzen. It's a common hero. Anyway, let's jump to the next summon, and it's going to be oh, it's going to be a rare. By the way, one by one summoning is way better. Percival. Captain, okay. Increase all allies attack by 25% in city or trial battles. City or trial battles, okay. What these guys do? The hero skill deals 20% more damage to the enemy inflicted with burn. I have already Calf that is doing pretty decent damage and inflict buff. Burn strikes the enemy 3 times, each dealing 135% attack fire damage with a 75% chance to inflict burn on them for 10 seconds. This burn damage is for so many seconds. It's 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Very, very nice. Grants 20% attack up to all burn allies for 10 seconds. Then attacks and deals 650 fire damage to the enemy within the range. Damage modifier attack. Okay, this is very good. Attack up. Definitely for my calf. Just let you show you my calf. That is one of my best heroes, and I'm so happy with calf. Here comes the calf, and he's looking like a burn one. Yeah, definitely he is a burn one, and he also inflicts burn on the enemy, and everything is 10 seconds. So imagine how many stacks I can do with these two bad boys. So jumping on the heroes dice again, I'm going to summon here till I get my second legendary. This is something that don't have any timer. It can be till the season 2 end. So yeah, let's summon the first one. The chance to get the legendary is very small. I think it's like 3% or something like this. Okay, it's going to be a rare. Bro, okay, welcome aboard, bro. Just to see what is the percentage. Season 2, new legendary heroes. Okay, we get Cow. I'm so happy with this guy. But what is the percentage? Chance 3% legendary, 70% epic. So actually the game give us 2 new legendary from the season 2. Absolutely great. And Calf is very strong. Calf is absolutely madness, baby. Let's go for the next one. Hopefully we get something interesting. It's going to be a rare again. Gigel, oh my god, look at this guy. Is that a throw? Maybe it's a throw. Forest throw, oh. Natural evil. Oh, healing prohibition by 30%. What else? Deals 410 poison damage to the enemy within 100% chance to inflict attack penalty. This attack penalty is very important, especially against bosses. Attack enemy 3 times, dealing 300 attack poison damage, and third attack has 75% chance to inflict healing prohibition for 10 seconds. This 75%. The third attack additionally reduces 20% of the target ultimate energy. This also very good. By the way, this rare is very good. The chance is going to get to 100% chance to inflict the healing prohibition if the ultimate is level 4. So yeah, this is pretty decent rare. So this was my summonings. We get one new epic one. Where is this new epic one? This one I didn't have her. She looks like same like Sigrid, except that she cannot attack all the enemies with debuff. But still, I think it's pretty decent, especially this debuff immunity to all range allies for 10 seconds. I think this is very good. Absolutely great. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to this channel. I make Dragonheir Silent Gods video almost every day. I maybe lied to you right now, but yeah, if you enjoyed this content, just hit one subscribe. It helps a lot, and see you in the next video.